Hi, today I'm going to show you how to handle a live BC Dungeness crab and stir fry it with ginger and green onion. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of many other yummy food. BC Dungeness crab is a famous kind of seafood in west coast of Canada. I prefer to buy a crab weight more than 1 kilogram. Otherwise, I feel like it's wasting all the effort and time if there's not enough meat inside. Make sure the live crab is wrapped in paper, not plastic bag, so it can still breathe and does not die before you're ready to cook it. Place the crab with tummy up on the cutting board. Poke the crab in this position and lift the triangular piece up. The crab should be dead by now. Remove those pieces at the top. Poke your knife in from the top to remove the shell. Remove the lungs and place the crab underneath the running water to wash. I prefer not to eat the shell and remove all the unwanted stuffs inside the crab because they like the digestive system of the crab. Brush and wash the entire crab to remove the sand and mud on it. Remember to remove the rubber bands on the claws. Place it back on the cutting board and cut it into bigger pieces. Remove the tip of each leg. Use the back of knife to crack the hard shell of the claw. Drain water out from the crab pieces. Let's prepare the ingredients for stir frying now. At least 10 slices of ginger and some minced shallots, some wine, and cut the green onions into sections and tear off some of the green parts into thin strips. Coat the exposed meaty part with cornstarch. This is to prevent the meat from falling off when we stir fry the crab. Finish coating all pieces. Heat up the pan first. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. We start with pan frying the crab pieces at medium-high heat. Carefully place all crab pieces into the pan and pan fry for 1 minute. Flip the crab pieces over, then pan fry for another 1 minute at medium-high heat. Not stir, otherwise too much meat will come off. Add ginger slices, minced shallot, and the green onion sections now. Add wine. Stir fry gently for 1 minute. Stir fry gently. Mix chicken powder, sugar, salt, white pepper with 2 tablespoons of water now. Turn to medium heat and add the seasonings into the crab. Stir fry gently for about 2 minutes. Mix half teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water, then add it into the crab. Turn to high heat, stir fry briefly. Add the green onion strips. Scoop out the crab pieces. The yummy stir-fried BC crab with ginger and green onion is ready to serve. Enjoy!